Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Guru. Today we will learn about an important topic, how to find the calculation of water tank and its capacity in liters. Now let's head towards the calculation. We have given from figure diameter of tank D is 2 meter, height of tank is 3 meter. Now using the formula for volume of tank, we have volume of tank is equal to pi into d square by 4 into h is equal to, we have for pi standard value is 3.14 and d is 2, so 2 square by 4 into 3. In this way we will get volume is equal to 9.42 meter cube, and we know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So capacity is equal to 9.42 into 1000 is equal to 9420 liters. Thanks everyone for staying with me. If you like this video and want similar video like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.